Hello and welcome to Lunchtime Look. My name is Sharon Rogers and I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator from Wells, Maine. And my buddy Crash and I like to come to you every Thursday around noon with just a creative project or idea. And today's idea is how you can use your love of card making to benefit others. And I'm going to share that idea while I'm sharing this beautiful card keeper kit. It's no longer available at Stampin' Up!, but I do have a few extras if anybody would want one. I mean, I'm going to use them for the idea that I'm about to share with you if you don't, but I did want to give you an opportunity in case you wanted to help support some other organizations in a unique way. This box really is fantastic. It is so sturdy, has this beautiful foiling on it. I mean, it is really stunning. The kit is only $25 and that includes the box, which is very easy to put together, 6 chipboard dividers that are color coordinated, and it comes with the labels. You could always make your own labels if you don't like these particular categories, but these categories are pretty generic and ones you'll probably use. And of course, there's the miscellaneous, so that's always one you can use. But it also includes supplies for you to create 10 cards. There are 5 different sentiments, and so you can mix and match. Or I think I've got an example in here. You can even go a little rogue and start designing your own with some extra supplies. So this is the back of one of the cards. I just used a Knight of Navy card base and some ribbon. So you can get more out of the supplies of this and create even more cards. You'll just have to supplement with some envelopes. Now in here, I've actually put some envelopes in the front because not all these cards have envelopes. It just depends on, when I was making them, did I make a coordinated envelope or not? This is a card that I've included that is from one of my Technique Tuesday classes. And let's see, we've got, what else do we have? So that's under birthday. I've got some that came from my What Year Is It year-end retreat. That was a fun class too. Let's see. I've got some cards in here that came from a Clubhouse class. So this is January's Clubhouse class. So I put that one in here because, after I've created them, I've created so many cards. I have them, I'm swimming in them usually. So this is one way that I can put them to good use. I've got some seasonal ones, some snowflakey ones, which are always lots of fun. And I've got some that come from kits because I'll do some kit togethers and I want to have some samples there. This was a great kit. And, then I've got a bunch of thank you ones at the end. This was also from a technique class, a Technique Tuesday, I think, that used vellum. So I've got 35 cards in here. I'm going to value this at $150. I figure about $4 a card because, you know what, people, when they go out, they can't buy a nice card for $4. They can buy a Dollar Tree card for $1.25 or $1.50. But those are so paper thin and there's just no, personal touch to them. So a handmade card, I think, is, $4 is a reasonable value. For some places, that's a steal. For others, it's a little high. But you know what? Aim high at the value and maybe people will bid higher because this is going into an auction. And so I thought $4 a card plus $10 for the beautiful box that's reusable. What a deal. So this is my idea for a fundraiser. I also do classes for fundraisers, donate them. But this is a great and easy way, especially if you are swimming in cards like I am. Thank you for joining us today. We've had a great time sharing with you how we put our love of card making, and he loves it. He doesn't make, but he loves me making it. How we put our love of card making to good use to benefit others. Sending a handmade card definitely is a way to let someone know you care, but giving a bunch of handmade cards so that they can in turn be given out is a double blessing to people. Now, if you are in the Northeast, you may be in for a big snowstorm this weekend. So, you know what? Gather some of those craft supplies and let's knock out some cards together so that we can either send them to people next week or we can get started toward a fundraiser to benefit a worthy organization. Have a great weekend, everybody. I hope to see you tomorrow night for Friday Night Live, 7:30 on my YouTube channel.